How to apply to be a CapCut creator. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can apply to become a CapCut creator and create your own templates on CapCut. So you will see some kind of pop-up like this time to time on your app. So once you find these kind of pop-ups on your app, what you want to do is just tap on apply now, and it will redirect you to the apply to be a template creator page. So here you will have to enter all of these details like your date of birth. You can choose your date of birth like this and enter your email through which they will be able to connect to you. Once you choose your email, if you have a video portfolio, like you can add your best video showing your editing skills, such as adding backgrounds or transitions, music, and other kind of effects. And make sure that your video are high resolution without any watermark. Once you post these kind of video, you can also import the video from TikTok right here. And if you link your TikTok account, you will be able to import such kind of video from TikTok. And once you do that, you can also link your TikTok account and other social media account. You can select from all of these options like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok. And if you go on others, it will show other kind of social media sites, and you can just paste the link right there. So once you do that, you can enter a reference code if you have one. And once you do that, just tap on this I have read and acknowledged the disclaimer and license agreements, and simply tap on submit, and your request should be submitted to the CapCut team. They will review your work, and if they find it satisfying or if it was good, then you should hear back from them on the email you've provided right here. And then you should be able to become a template creator on CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you found it helpful, I hope you would like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.